Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I am working them hard today, so I'm not sure I'm not sure how much you're going to see them other than the little bit you're seeing them now. At least you can see Wyatt, huh? Oh, Why? Sienna's over here. She's mad at me because I'm making her work so hard today. It's Sunday. She feels like she should have off, but we got to work ahead. I have a fun unboxing for you today. If you have not checked out the LookFantastic beauty box, you really need to. This is such a great beauty subscription at an affordable price. I love it. So let's dig in because this is January's box. It's only available for a short time. So if you are interested, you're going to want to check it out. Let's see what's inside. So LookFantastic comes from the LookFantastic beauty brands, and that is the #1 online beauty retailer in Europe. So I love that they offer a beauty subscription that we can all get sent straight to us. So right inside the box, do you not, first of all, I'm like opening it right up, but do you guys not love these boxes? So this is a nice sturdy box. It did not come just like this. It actually came inside this box that I just annihilated. So these boxes are nice and sturdy. They're the kind you could actually keep and store things in if you really wanted to. Loving the lilac. Like I said, I'm ready to just dig right in. I do have a discount code for you if you would like to give LookFantastic's beauty subscription beauty box a try. It is only $19 a month, and you will get your first box for only $1 if you sign up for a 12-month subscription. So your first box will only be $1 if you sign up using my link down below, which I'll put all this information down below for you. All right, so let's do it. Right away, I see the beauty box edit, which gives you all kinds of information about the products that are inside the box, as well as, let's see, an editor's note, a month of mindfulness. So talking about how to practice self-love. There's brands and trends to watch. I love that. Also motivation quotes. We'll have to check those out. And there's more information here. So lots inside this little book. Let's talk about what's inside the box. And you do get a mix of full-size products as well as sample sizes. All right. So first up, I see a complexion sponge. And I'm going to read to you what it says. This box is actually valued at $69, just so that you're aware. Let's see if I can get into this. It says that this is an eco-friendly makeup sponge, perfect for applying creams or liquid products all over the skin for a flawless finish, with a pointed tip to reach those hard to reach areas, like under the eyes and around the nose. Oh, this is super, super soft. It's like a regular beauty blender, but this one is eco-friendly. I always need one of these. I'm always looking for my next one, it seems. Yeah, it says super soft and cruelty-free. This complexion sponge is perfect for flawless custom coverage. All right, that's the first item. Next, we have Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Let's see what this looks like. I already have color on, so I'm going to put it on my, but it looks like, this looks like a good color. Let's see what this looks like. I like it. I put it in like the worst. I always think this is going to be a good spot for you guys to see, but then I can't hold my hand in the right spot. I like it. Yeah, that's a pretty color. It's got a very nice, like bright color for spring. It almost looks like my nail polish, actually. Move it up on my hand. And I like that it's matte. Here we go. I think it's very pretty. Like I said, it almost looks like my nail polish, doesn't it? Very pretty. All right, and this is a liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and matte finish. And in your box is one of 4 shades, all with a long-lasting color that doesn't flake or dry out throughout the day. So I think I got like the perfect color for me. You do fill out a profile, so that's probably why I got the actual perfect color. But here's some of the other options you could have gotten. So I like the neutrals, as well as there's this, I'd always call this what? Almost like a darker brownish color. And then this one's more towards the reds, burnt oranges. Okay, next, what do I have? All right, this is Av Cleansing Bar, Avocado and Cucumber Natural Cleansing Bar. This is a nice size. And it says it's a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both the face and body, infused with calming ingredients. We could all use that about right now. Oh, it smells amazing. It's very thick. You can see compared to my hand how big it is, so it takes up my whole palm. Smells amazing. So I said calming ingredients of avocado and cucumber, which works to nourish, soften, and awaken the skin, awaken the senses. So you lather and massage in the skin and rinse thoroughly. Nice. Nice. All right, what else have I got? There's more stuff. So next is called Grow Gorgeous Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. And this says it's a hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to end, getting to work overnight when your hair is most susceptible to treatment. I like that. Your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz, lock in moisture, and leave your hair with a silky, soft salon feel once styled. Even better, your hair mask is completely vegan, and its formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones. Okay, so I can wait to try this. That sounds awesome. So it's got oat lipids, hyaluronic acid, rapeseed oil, acai and sweet almond oils, and blended green tea extract. So you run a generous amount through the hair, making sure you massage into your scalp as part of your evening routine. Place your hair in a bun and leave the hair mask in overnight. Rinse thoroughly in the morning. Okay, I have not tried anything like that, but now I think I have to. And you're supposed to use it once a week. For normal hair, for dry and damaged hair, you can use up to 3 times a week. Very cool. All right, next I have SVR Hydroline. Here's the word here I'm trying to say. And it is Intense Moisturizing Cream. Let's see what size this is. So I think this is probably one of the full size. Yeah. I think this is one of the full size products. So this is a facial moisturizer. Perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. Dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. Hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive skin types. And you massage a coin-size amount into the face and neck in the AM and or PM after cleansing and toning. All right, and what size is this? This is 1.3 ounces. I have one more item. Loving all the lilac, so pretty. This is Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask Gloves. Hollywood Hand Model, The Secret Revealed. Love that. So it says that you wash hands and towel them dry, remove the gloves from the sachet, separate them along the pre-cut line, and then carefully separate the infused felt inner layer before putting on the gloves. Use the stickers to securely close the gloves at the wrist and then leave them on for 15 minutes. And then you massage the remaining serum until absorbed. no need to rinse, and then you enjoy the completely nourished and smooth, soft cuticles and hands. The gloves can be turned inside out to massage leftover serum onto the arm if you wanted to. Well, this sounds really good. I've been complaining about my hands being so dry, so I feel like somebody heard me, right? So yeah, it's a hand mask designed to hydrate dry hands and cuticles, drawing on an innovative double layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair, condition, and soften even the roughest of hands. With a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils making up the formula, your hands will appear visibly softer, more supple after just one use. Shea butter, goji berry, macadamia nut, and olive oil, and licorice and peony roots. That sounds really good. I can't wait to try it. And that's all 6 items. You always get 6 items in your box. I think this was an awesome collection. The theme this month, I believe, was restoration. And I think they hit it really well. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like it. All right, so let's see. I said I would look at those quotes at the end. Yeah, so it is all about restoration. They talk about behind the theme of restoration in this booklet. I love some of the trends. They talk about that. And which is beeswax, polyhydroxy acids, ascorbic acid, hyaluronic acid, natural glam. So bare-face, no makeup. Makeup will continue to be a big trend through 2021, they're saying. Pastel colors, so think yellows, lilacs, and blues on the eyes, pink on the cheeks, and a bit of balm on the lips. So that's all coming in as a trend. That's good to know. And I think I was going to try to find the quotes, which is on page 18 here. All right, here we go. You are capable of amazing things. Yes, we are. Be you, do you, for you. I love that one. No one is you, and that is your superpower. True, right? To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. That's a good one. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I think that one is my favorite. All right, well, this was fun. I love this box. So we got the basically beauty blender. They're calling it the complexion sponge. This awesome matte lipstick, which I can't wait to try. I'm loving these colors. The hand mask, which I need desperately. This avocado and cucumber cleansing bar, which smells heavenly. This hair mask, which I can't wait to try in my hair. And last but not least, this intense moisturizing cream for the face. So I think overall, I'm loving this box. I hope you did too. Let me know what you think by commenting down below. I love bringing this box to you. It's always fun to open, and I love seeing all this wonderful information that they share in their booklet as well. I will put my link down below for LookFantastic, because as I said, if you use my link, then you will get your first month for only $1 if you sign up for a 12-month subscription. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I would love you to hang up for long haul and hit that subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everybody, bye-bye.